Welcome. We want to show you how to operate the machine safely. Good operating skills keep you safe and also protect those working around you. It is important that you study and understand the operator's instruction manual relating to your machine. The function of the control levers may vary on certain models. Make sure you study the lever control decal on your machine carefully and that you understand it. Hydraulic attachments will also change the layout of the machine levers. When you come to start work with the truck-mounted forklift, you should first take a walk around the machine. Check for any structural damage. Check the forks, the carriage, the lift chains, the mast rollers, and the hydraulic lift cylinders for any bends, cracks, or excessive wear. Look out for any missing or loose parts. Check to see there are no foreign objects that could affect operation. Check nuts and bolts for tightness. Inspect all the hydraulic hoses and fittings for cracks, leaks, or damage. Check the tires for proper inflation. Inspect wheels for visible damage, such as dents in the wheels, cuts in the tires, or missing or loose lug nuts. When you finish checking the exterior, lift the engine hood. Place the end of the hood prop in the receptacle provided. After a general inspection, check the coolant level in the radiator. Walk to the front of the machine. Look at the engine and you will see a dipstick located just above the oil fill cap. Remove the dipstick and wipe it clean. Now reinsert it to check the oil level, which should be between the two lines at the end of the dipstick. If the level is low, you need to add oil to the machine as specified in your operator's manual. Hydraulic oil level should be checked with the mast fully lowered. Look at the sight glass. The level should be between the two lines. If the level is at or below the bottom red line, add the recommended hydraulic fluid. The fuel tank cap is at the front of the truck-mounted forklift on top of the fuel tank. Check the fuel level by looking at the fuel level sight glass. If possible, try to start your day off with a full tank. Check the safety door, that it is functioning properly and that it locks when closed. Having completed the walk around and the fuel level checks, you are now ready to begin the operational checks. Climb aboard your machine using the steps and handles provided. Always use the three-point contact method when mounting or dismounting, with 3 of your limbs in contact with the machine at all times. Adjust and fasten your safety belt. Adjust the seat to fit your size. Check the forward-reverse pedal to make sure that it is in neutral. Look to see that the parking brake is on, and if it isn't, put it on at this time. Alert other people around you that you're going to start the machine. Insert the key in the ignition. Turn the key to the preheat position. Depress the accelerator pedal halfway and turn the key until the starter engages and the engine starts. Check that the warning lights have gone out, and if they haven't, turn the engine off. Do not continue to operate the machine. Cycle the hydraulic controls to see that they operate freely. Check each hydraulic control before you begin operation. Raise and lower the forks. Side shift the mast left and right. Extend and retract the mast. Tilt the mast forward and rearward. And raise the stabilizer legs. If any of these controls is not operating properly, do not continue to operate your machine. To check the drive controls of the machine, first release the parking brake. The right foot pedal is the accelerator pedal controlling engine RPM. This pedal is pressed down to increase RPM. It should be used to keep the engine at a constant RPM and should not be used to adjust the travel speed of the machine. The left pedal controls the forward-reverse movement of the machine. Press forward with your toe to move forward. Press backward with your heel to move backward. By returning the pedal to the midpoint, the machine will stop. This pedal is also used to control the speed of the machine's movement. The further the pedal is depressed in either direction, the faster the machine will travel. A conventional forklift is designed to lift and carry the load in front of the wheels. The load remains in this position during transit. The conventional forklift is able to lift the load in this position because